You don't want to miss out of all this juiciness. Where else will you get premium hot gist like this for free? Where? Hello. Welcome back. Did you miss me? Did you miss me? So it's been a minute since we dropped our last market diary, and I'm here with another video especially for you, my love. I hope you've been enjoying the ones we've dropped so far. In the comment section, let me know which one has been your favorite story so far out of all the stories that we've already discussed in the past few weeks. I really want to know. Let me know if your favorite story is matching with my own. If you haven't subscribed, if you're just new on this channel and you're loving it here, please subscribe so that you will get notifications. You will be the first to be informed the next time that I make another post. You don't want to miss out of all this juiciness. Where else will you get premium hot gist like this for free? Where? Let's look at today's story. Dear Oma, how are you doing? I'm doing fine, thank you. There's something I would like to talk to you about. I'm not so good at English, so pardon any errors. Thank you. You're welcome. This person is very polite. I have been working as a laundryman in a hotel for about 3 years with plans of saving up to start my own laundry business. Things weren't going as I wanted, but I continued saving. Luckily for me, I was able to save up a good amount to rent a shop and buy the important equipment I needed as a beginner. I quit my job, rented a shop in a good location, bought the things I needed most for the business, did a banner, and boom, business has started. One day, I came across a fellow laundry guy that we worked together in the same hotel a few years ago. We were actually really close, but we lost contact. We talked and I told him I have started my private laundry service and he congratulated me. After some days, he came to see me in my shop, and while discussing, he said he would also love to start his own laundry business, but just that he hasn't been able to save up. This was the exact issue I was facing before, so I could understand how he felt. After our discussion, I went back home and I thought about it. I then asked him if he would like to work with me since I'm the only one in my shop. At least we could be doing the work together and the money we make would be shared 60-40. He was happy and accepted. That's how we started working together in my laundry shop. I didn't think anything could go wrong because after all, we are friends. But Mama, at a point, I discovered his behavior has changed and he's beginning to act funny, and we are no more making up to the profits we make in a week. He even started missing days to come to work. To cut the heartbreaking story short, I found out that he has opened his own laundry in another location, and that on days when I go to buy things needed in the shop, he moves customers' clothes to his own laundry and has been diverting some of my customers to himself because it's cheaper. I haven't confronted him yet because I don't know how to go about it. I don't even know what to say. Like this, I'm speechless. And I also don't want to lose those my customers he stole forever. Please, how best do you think I should handle this? Ha! You don't go do business with armed robber. Eh? Well, I would say the first thing you can try is gather evidence. Gather as much as possible, just in case. Just in case you have to go to police or take it up as a court case or whatever, gather as much evidence as you can. Don't just be saying it. The ones you can snap with your phone, snap. The ones that you can you video. The ones that like testimonial from witnesses, you can just record it and keep. Just gather as much conversation as you can. When you've gathered it, you can now go and have a calm conversation with him, where you can tell him that you know what he's up to, and you now tell him that these are the next steps. Since you want it this way, we're not going to work together again, and blah blah blah. Then I also feel like one of the mistakes you made was that you did not protect your business. Example, you could have had a non-compete agreement. So at least within 6 months of working with me, just stay clear from starting a business like my own. Some people do as much as 3 years. I've even seen one of 5 years. So I feel you did not really protect your business. Even the part of confidentiality, keeping things confidential in your business. But you are right that it's very important that you protect your customers. I think the best course of action to go with is to tell them the truth. So you can reach out, if you have any idea of the customers that you have started poaching, you can reach out to these customers and tell them the truth. This is what's happening, and this is what this guy did to me after I brought him into my business. I just said, let me tell you as my better customer. Because if he could do me this type of thing, you don't know the one he would do to you. So you would not leave it up to the customer to make the choice whether they want to stay with that type of person just because it's a bit cheaper, or they will come back and stay with you that they have been with all this while with no issues. While I was reading this your story, your entry into our diary, I actually felt like, why are you giving 60-40? That was totally unnecessary. Maybe you are even the one self that activated his big eye self, because you're giving 60-40 when you're the one footing the bills, you're the one that paid for the rent, you're the one that paid for the equipment. Everything you paid for it. And it's not as if you don't have the skill. If let's say you brought all the money part and then he brought the skill, I'll say okay. But you have the skill too, and you've been doing it in your business and it's been going fine. It's even more about you trying to help out while also helping your business simultaneously. Is that not what the whole partnership is all about? So I was amazed that you were giving 60-40. Wait till nothing. Wasn't that 60-40 too much? Abi, is it just me? Ha. Anyway, that's it from me. I don't get any other thing to talk. Viewers, over to you. What do you think? Do you think the partnership was good? And how can he resolve this his current predicament? He has been backstabbed by someone that he called a friend, and then now this person is poaching his customers, and he doesn't want to lose the customers. What tips do you have to share with him so that he can keep those his customers in his business? Let's hear from you. Just drop your thoughts in the comment section. You know how we do it already now. And don't forget to share with a friend. Invite someone today. At least share the link to this video to 10 places. That's all I ask. Just share it to 10 places. The places could be people, it could be groups. Just help us reach out to other business owners and tell them, look, there is someone that is ready to listen to your issues and give you advice. This is like free therapy, only that is for business owners especially. Abio. All right guys, that's it from me for today, and we've come to the end of this episode of the Market Diary. I hope I will see you in our next video. Thank you for participating actively. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for liking. Thank you for dropping comments and helping out people that are sending their entries into our diary. I appreciate you so much. You know this. And I will be seeing you in our next video. Bye-bye.